The Kids Running Collection. This collection comprises of key pieces which are adult takedown models comprising of running essentials and the 1 series adult collection. Let us now have a look at the collection. Let us now look at the running collection for kids. The first t-shirt is the OSR SST, which is a direct takedown from the adult model. This comes in poly spandex single jersey fabrication with hydrophilic finish. The second tee is the RE SST type, which has a typographic print on the front panel. We also have the 1 series track pant, which is a very attractive style in this collection and is a direct takedown of our adult model. So that's a small capsule of running for our kids. The Kids Training Collection consists of sport essentials for any kind of sport and fitness training activity for everyday wear. The collection comprises of 100% polyester play-dry fabrications, a training-inspired graphic series, shorts and pants for the kid who's game for anything. A whole lot of fun and bright colors coming your way in Spring 15 in the training collection. Our girls' apparel range comprises of key studio dance pieces and a whole lot of training essentials. As you can see here, we have the Dance Until Dawn top with a racer back. We have a dance tee which says Dance Your Feet Silly graphic on it. There is a D graphic tee too with the dance figurine. There is also a DF layer tee in black color and 3/4 sleeves in 100% cotton modal fabrication. We also have the D legging pant to go with this dance capsule. Let's now have a quick look at the rest of the training essentials in our girls collection. The collection comprises of various silhouettes like the graphic tank with the 79 on it. Then there is a Dance With Me t-shirt. There is also a raglan polo with beautiful color blocking and a Reebok print. There is also a layer up in polyester fabrication in play dry. You can combine this easily with our layered waistband pant, and the special piece in this collection is the all over graphic t-shirt. Thank you all for watching the videos for Class 6 and Kids. If you have any queries, you can always reach out to me at upasana.verma@reebok.com. Thank you and have fun in Spring 15.